Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to buy a Shein gift card. Now to do that, what you need to do is, first thing is open the Shein application and then get logged into the account of yours. Now that you are logged in, you need to go to the profile of yours. Tap on profile, and in the profile you will see the option of coupons, points, wallet and gift card on the top. You tap on gift card. Now here you will find all the gift card that is available for you to use. You can also redeem your gift card on top, but we're gonna buy a gift card. So you select the design and amount of the gift card. I'm just gonna go with the first one option. Now here you need to type in the amount of yours. You can see the amount option in the amount section. Then you need to enter the to and from field and add a message if you want. So type in the recipient email address, then type in your name, and you can add a message to be delivered for them as well. So just type in a random message. You need to mark the agree checkbox over here by placing this order. I agree that I have read and understand the terms and condition. Once all that is done, you tap on checkout. And here you need to provide the shipping address on the top. Type in the shipping address. If the shipping address is already saved, the address will be auto saved and it will be selected automatically. Then there's payment method. You need to complete the payment method before you place an order. There's two options: credit, debit card and PayPal. You choose the one that you're gonna do and then tap on place order. Now you provide the card details. Type in the expiry date. Type in the CVV, check the billing address for the final one. Now once all the detail has been confirmed and you have completed the card detail information, you tap on place order. This will complete the process to get a gift card. You will receive an email with your printable gift card. So this is the way how you can buy a Shein gift card. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.